Guys, in today's tutorial we're gonna talk about how to customize your start menu. So here is our start menu, and what we can do here is you can actually start with this part here, and this part here. So the start menu goes into three parts, and the third part is the one we're gonna do right now. So first of all, you can rename this. You can change the size of your start menu, so you can put it like this. You can put it like this. You can move around the boxes. You can delete them, resize them. You can say it's gonna be small or medium or wide. Doesn't really matter. Here in this part, you can basically pin to start any of these icons, and here you can share it. You can pin to taskbar. You can go to app settings, rate and review. This part doesn't really matter. So after that, you can go to desktop, personalize. You can go to start. In here you can do a lot more things, like you can actually use start full screen. For example, click on, and as you can see, it's full screen. Then you can click on choose which folders appear in start. So you can actually choose when you click start what folders to appear, and so you can click it and it's gonna be easier. And when you go to colors, you can actually pick your color on the start menu. Let's say it's this one, so it's the red one. So when you click on start, it's gonna load and it's going to be red. So as you can see, it works. We're gonna change the color back. Thank you guys for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something new, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.